Hi, what's up guys, it's me Shubhrajit and I'm watching Prek so far. So guys, today's video is a bit different, not regular like technical reviews or something like that, not like hopping up some technical newses and updates. So guys, today's video is in something related that is actually like my field of interest. So it's about engineering. So like if you are studying engineering, or if you are like going to be an engineer in the professional life, like I'm just pursuing my BTech degree in SRM University, I'm in third year of my engineering curriculum. So guys, update is coming for you guys, that's very important for your engineering curriculum. That is that AICTE, or the commission that actually handles all kind of engineering stuffs in India, has like changed the curriculum a little bit. Like they have decreased the credit from 180 to 160, and they have introduced a mandatory or a compulsory course in your engineering curriculum. So the course is about that you have to do a single internship, and that will be of 14 credits. So it's not actually before it used to be an optional thing, like you can do the industrial training, otherwise you can do something like projects, so you can publish any paper in your curriculum. But right now the situation is something like different, and you have to be very careful about your industrial training, because the report you're going to submit in your curriculum, or the report you're going to submit in your university, and the presentation that you're going to present in your university, that is going to carry 14 credits of your curriculum. That's actually very important, because having 14 credits in a single subject or a single curriculum is actually very important. So it actually varies from different university to university, from government universities to private universities. But as per the commission, they have made it mandatory for each and every universities. So you have to be very careful about this one. So like today I'm going to discuss about some of the things that you need to know, like what are the benefits of doing an internship, and how you can get an internship very easily. And I'm going to tell you the difference between an internship and an industrial training. So guys, internship is something that you can do any kind of training center or something like that, or any universities under any professor or something like that. You can do an internship in your own university as well. Well, industrialist training is something different. Like you have to go to a company, you have to approach the HR or the director over there, you have to talk to them, and you have to get like a permission of doing something like for minimum of like a 1 month of thing. Like if you're pursuing your BTech degree or something like that, if you're doing your third year of studying or something like that, like first year or second year also you can do if you're doing your industrial training. So guys, that is something different. Industrial training is something you're doing in an industry, and internship is something you're doing some universities. Also, internship can be defined in another way. Like internship you need to do like for a minimum span of 3 months in an industry. That is also considered as an internship, or as well as an industrial training. So that is something different. That is something different that we actually get like after completing our third year. So when we are like going to sit for the placement, so that time we just go to a company, approach to the company that I want to like we would like to work for your company, that would be beneficial for your company, and in return they pay you some little amount of money, so that's called a stipend. So that what you get, and you get an experience in that company. So when you sit for the placements, so that company has a impression on you that you have done an internship in their company, so you have the knowledge regarding the company. So you would be getting much more importance in so many candidates in the world, so many candidates in the India. So that's how it makes difference between you and the other people. So that's how internship works. But nowadays, things are getting fast, so not every knowledge is provided from your university. So you need to be very careful about your curriculum right now, because not only knowing books knowledge or something like that, or knowing C++ can get you an IT sector job, something like that, because IT sector jobs are getting much more saturated. So it's going to pay you something like 20,000 salaries in a month. So that's not gonna be worth it, right? So you need to be like getting a high paying job, something like that. You just need a core company or something like that. If you are looking for something like core company, so you need to have a good industrial training, something like that. So once you are getting a good industrial training or internship training, so your curriculum or your profile curriculum is actually much better than the others. So the better internship you are doing, you are becoming better than the others. So that's how it works. So that's how you can grow much interest when any HR comes for an interview or any kind of group discussions, because you are getting so much of knowledge out of it. So that's how it's working actually. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing actually. And AICTE has followed this rule because they're saying that, because nowadays what the HRs are complaining regarding the university students, that they have only bookish knowledge, not any kind of like industrial knowledge. So they don't know how to cooperate in an industry, and they don't know how to work in an industry. So that's what making the problem, that's what making an issue, because none of them are like employable or something like that. I know it's not true, but because it's like you have so many knowledge, but you cannot like make it in a like work in a good manner, okay, something like that. So you need to work on this internship thing. You need to be very focused about this. So just try to make some good contacts with some internships. Like there are so many stuffs you can do. Like there is a thing that I personally recommend in getting an internship. Like you can go to Internshala, the link is given in the description. You can go to Internshala. That is a very good platform of getting an internship. Getting a good internship, you can do it from your home. You can go over there and you will be getting stipend in return. But you have to be like have like a 3 months time in your hand. But nowadays what we do, actually we pay to the company to get an internship over there, something like that. So they will provide you some sort of training, and that's what actually works right now. So you can go, it would be better if you get any government institution or government sector, but it's pretty hard, right? Because they don't provide like that much of time or that much of effort to make you getting a good knowledge. So that's actually doesn't work, right? Not all the time. So how it works, like let me tell you, so you need to have that power, like you need to have that contact with your company. Like you go and approach, you don't need to have contacts also. You go and approach your director, you just present your CV over there, you just present your profile over there, and they will like can have any interest. Like that's you have to do in your placements also. So that's how you can get your internships. That's how you can get much knowledge, that how an industry works, that how you're going to perform good or bad in just a year or after a semester, something like that. It's very much important for the 3rd and 4th year students, because just a year before, just a year after, just 4 or 5 months after you getting placed, but you don't know how does a company work. So it's very important. If you get an industrial training, that's the best thing you can do, apart from getting a train from any institution or something like that. So that's the video is all about today. Today's video is something different. So I hope you guys have liked it. If you have liked it, so just give the thumbnail, press the thumbnail and subscribe to the channel. Come on guys, what are you doing? Just subscribe to my channel. That will be like, you guys are technical freaks, right? So enjoy your day with enjoying. So that's the video all about. Goodbye guys, until the next video. Bye.